The real winner, regardless. Right here.
So, I have one paper in my hand. I don't know the colors either, dude. Oh, right here. I was just kidding. So, for Freddie, we have 12 pink. That's you, Natasha. That's pink crayon, girl.
Yeah, Freddie!
For William, we have 11 blue.
William!
For Cody, we have 8 green.
That's cold. William
For
won.
Demetrius, we have 8. Y'all spelled his name wrong. Demetrius. It's
You should get an extra one.
Just kidding. Oh, he's purple. I thought you knew that. Sorry. Who's next? For Bailey, 14.
Damn.
Red. She's right there. Can I get a drum roll? For Justin, 15 gold.
Popularity contest. Wonderful. I thought we were doing this by score.
Let's give them all a round of applause. And let's dismiss our contestants again. Because they're still tallying it up.
Give us a second. We're gonna
Technical difficulties down there. Open them up, case.
We need privacy. This is a hard one.
All right. Thank you. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.